One of the most marvelous sights of my whole life, unsurpassed in my travels in nearly all parts of the world, was that of the prairie in spring. Unfading are my memories of the wavering, rippling sea of lavender. When the wild sweet William, phlox 2 to 3 feet in height, was in full flower, it stretched in the way in the distance further than the eye could reach, while I sat entranced in the rear end of the wagon bed as we jogged slowly on to Delavan. As the sea of phlox faded, it was succeeded by another marvelous flower bed of nature's planting, and this in turn by others until midsummer was reached. Then the great coarse perennials belonging to Compositae dominated, and instead of a single mass of color, there was a vast garden of purple coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, rosinweeds, blazing stars, asters, goldenrods, and others. That's from an early Illinois prairie, Albert Hare, American botanist, 1940. It was about the 1870s, but this is about this prairie restoration. It's about 15 years old. And the first thing to say about this prairie restoration is, this is from that reading about Illinois and Wisconsin. The 19th century, prairies are daisylands. They're not grasslands. Well, grass seeds are cheap. What do statistics say? No. You want a daisyland, which also happens to correspond with what the pollinators need, native plants for native insects. And it makes for quite the display, and some of the same plants, but it requires management too. There's the Queen Anne's lace. Fortunately, the sandy soil lets the deep taproots be removed. Otherwise, they'll survive the drought pretty well. You don't want them doing that. And it requires other management too. You're not seeing Queen Anne's lace here or shrubs because they were all removed this spring and early summer. Well, there's one Queen Anne's lace. Two. Always more work to do for the pollinators. And you may look closely at the blooming bee balm, but not just see the big bumblebees, but see all the small little wasps and bees and butterflies and moths and ants, all the other things to make use of the native plants that are all connected.